All right, mate. Let's look here. AV or RVN. You know, it should be a bullish pattern. Like when you break up like this, above all moving averages, curling back down, it should, in theory, be a breakout. It can be a bit of a process if these tools would work. So you can see here we've broke out. Now, a lot of times when this sort of happens, there can be, this dip can be pretty normal. And then, maybe after the dip or whatever, it'll push back up and it'll kind of, it's tough to say exactly what way it'll go, but this, in theory, when you break out of this on a bullish pattern above all moving averages in a potential BART situation, also a potential larger inverse pattern. You can see where we rejected off. Let's take that away just so you can see. But we've broke out of this in the meantime, and now we have the larger pattern we're fighting with, and it should be bullish, and we should break out. Of course, if you look at this, there's a large head and shoulders, and the target of this pattern, if all goes well, the target of the pattern is back up to new all-time highs. So I do like this overall. I think this pattern looks like it's going to break out to the upside. This trend line here, it doesn't really look like to me it's going to hold. It looks like that this wants to break. So it's probably just a matter of time before this breaks up. I also like, the fact that we've broke out here of this sort of trend line. Like if I take you back to, if I can find a bullish pattern, yeah, just looking back here, and I don't see anything really similar, not like what I was looking for. But when you break these trend lines, it doesn't have to run straight away. It can kind of chop about out of the pattern and then make the move. And that's kind of my thought process here. We did break out of it. It can chop about more here before actually breaking up when we have this larger resistance. Overall, it looks good. If you sold half and you took profits, probably just leave a break-even stop and see where the second half can go and see if we can get some upside momentum.